Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to install PyCharm on your desktop. So basically before installing PyCharm, let's go through what exactly is PyCharm. So PyCharm is a dedicated Python integrated development environment, that is IDE, providing a wide range of essential tools for Python developers, tightly integrated to create a convenient environment for productive Python, web, and data science development. So now there will be a question in your mind like what can we do with PyCharm, right? So here are some features listed. Number 1, intelligent coding assistant. PyCharm provides smart code completion, code inspection, on the fly error highlighting and quick fixes along with automated code refactorings and rich navigation capabilities. Number 2, built-in developer tools. Number 3, web development. Number 4, scientific tools. Number 5, customizable and cross-platform IDEs. So now the question would be, is PyCharm good for beginners? So the answer is the vast number of PyCharm features does not make this IDE difficult to use. Just the opposite. Many of the features help make PyCharm a great Python IDE for beginners. If you are just starting to learn Python, you should try out different Python IDEs to see if you prefer working with PyCharm or with any other editor. So hope all the basic questions are answered. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly what we have to do is we have to go on google.com. In Google search you have to type PyCharm download. The first option, that is your jetbrains.com, you have to go on that site. Over here I will go with community download and you will see automatically the download has started. So we have to just wait till our download is completed. Once the file is completely downloaded, just click on the installation file. So in this welcome window, what we have to do is we have to click on next. Over here in the destination, you have to choose the location, then you have to click next. Over here, I will select all the option and I will click on next. In this window, we'll click on install and you will get an installation window. We'll wait for the installation to get completed. Once the installation is completed, you will get a completion message box. Over here, I'll just select reboot later option. From the startup menu, I'll just open up the freshly installed PyCharm application. Then we'll accept the agreement and click on continue. As you can see, our PyCharm is ready to use. Now from here, you can add a new project and you can start working. We'll just execute our first code, that is hello world. So over here I'll write the print function. In print function I'll tell hello world and I'll click on execute button. As you can see, our code is successfully processed and we have got the result in the result box. So hope you like the video. Do follow me to get notification of upcoming videos. Bye. Thank you.